Welcome to How Tuesday. My name is Lisa, and today I'm going to show you how to use the wool mat cleaning tool from the Gypsy Quilter to clean your wool mat. Here's the wool mat cleaning tool from the Gypsy Quilter. It can be used on car upholstery, carpets, and furniture, but we love it for our woolly felted mats. It picks up lint, pet hair, threads, and other fabric debris. It's about 4.5 inches long and 3/8 of an inch wide. There are two kind of blades, one on each side, so it works either way, and it's textured, not really sharp, but there is a texture to it. A great feature of the mat cleaner is they've put an anti-slip coating on the handle, so it won't pull out of your hand as you're cleaning. Let me give you a close-up so you can see how well it works. Well, here's my woolly felted mat. I've got some little thread tails and some fabric corners and even some lint I got off the corner of my sewing room. Let me show you how the mat cleaner works. All you do is simply drag it across your mat and it picks up all the debris, so you can snatch it up and throw it in the garbage. I hope you enjoyed my video. I'll remind you that the wool mat cleaner can be used on furniture, carpets, and car upholstery. I don't think I'd use it on clothes. Maybe if you had a light sweater, you could try it, but it works like a charm on your woolly mat.